Did you know a sneeze can zoom out of your nose at speeds up to 100 miles per hour? That's right, and it can send thousands of tiny droplets flying through the air. This is why it's super important to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze, to keep those germs from spreading to others. Sneezing is our body's clever way of staying safe and healthy. It's a quick response to get rid of unwanted particles or germs by shooting out mucus and other stuff. Sneezes help keep our lungs clear and our respiratory system running smoothly.